If you've been exploring tools for cold email outreach, chances are you've come across Lemlist. It's a popular email outreach tool known for its efficiency and reliability. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Lemlist, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let's talk about what Lemlist actually is. At its core, Lemlist is an email outreach platform built to help you connect with leads in a more human and engaging way. But it goes far beyond just sending emails. Lemlist lets you automate entire campaigns, personalize messages with dynamic content, and even use multi-channel outreach, including LinkedIn and phone calls, all from one dashboard. Now let's talk about features. One of the most powerful things about Lemlist is its personalization engine. You can add dynamic text, images, or even custom video thumbnails to each email, making your messages feel more personal without writing them one by one. Then there's LemWarm, their built-in email warm-up tool that helps increase deliverability and keep your messages out of the spam folder. You can also create full multi-step campaigns that include email, LinkedIn, and phone tasks in a single sequence, making your outreach feel more natural. Plus, the analytics dashboard gives you clear insights into open rates, reply rates, and performance by step, helping you fine-tune what works. One of Lemlist's biggest strengths is that it's designed for reply-focused outreach. The platform encourages human-like interactions instead of just blasting out hundreds of generic emails. That's a huge plus for teams that want meaningful engagement and not just clicks. It also integrates with major CRMs, so you can sync your data without much manual effort. But Lemlist isn't perfect. For beginners, it can take a bit of time to figure out. Setting up things like personalized media or multi-channel campaigns might feel a little tricky at first. Also, it's great for outreach and engagement, but it's not meant to replace a full CRM. If you need advanced lead management or detailed pipeline reporting, you'll still need to rely on another tool for that. Now let's take a look at its pricing. Lemlist offers three main plans. The free plan is $0 per month and includes up to 100 lead emails or 25 phone numbers each month using their Chrome extension. The Email Pro plan costs $69 per user per month and allows 3 sending emails per user. The multi-channel Expert plan is $99 per user per month and supports 5 sending emails per user. Finally, there's an enterprise plan available with custom pricing for teams with larger needs. So overall, Lemlist is a strong choice if you're serious about email outreach and want to build campaigns that feel personalized and real. It may take some time to master, but once set up, it delivers solid results. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.